Iinom na tayo ngayon ng day 5 natin ng organic barley juice. Ayan, green na green.
Nagpalit na siya ng baso.
Galit na ako ng gaso. Kasi hindi makita yung kulay din eh. Anong na date ngayon?
February 5.
February 5 and this is our day 5. Right? Sarap.
Ano masabi niyo, sir?
Sarap. Siyempre.
Sarap?
Yeah, sarap yun.
Sarap yan. What's that, sir?
This is
that?
Omnifit. Kasi
What's
kumain tayo kanina. So, pwede na natin siyang i-take. Papakita natin.
Ilang pills po yan?
Isa lang. Anong pills?
Ay! Supplement pala to.
Pills.
Sorry, kasi pills. Pills daw yan eh.
These food supplements and not aesthetic drugs. And this one is organic barley capsule. Alright? And this one 2 dosage.
Tingin po.
2 dosage. Alright. Yan pills guys. Barley yan. Yun lang. So day 5 ng ating pag-inom ng Omnifit barley juice at saka capsule. Okay guys.